started meeting people at least 30 years ago that, didn't have food. So we started picking up food at grocery stores, dented cans. And a little closet in the church, put the dented cans in there so people could have dignity and just go get food. Moved to 2006. He starts a charity called Restoration Bridge. And the first year that he picked up food from the connections that he had made, because he goes to grocery stores, it's mostly nearly expired or expired food, close or excess. He picked up $260,000 worth of food first year. Go to last year, and he's been in, this is the third spot he's been in, so he was at Trinity behind the church, and that's how I got involved, because he also started a ministry for homeless people, and I started volunteering there, because I'm from Canada, I'm a snowbird, and I don't want to be here and do nothing. I want to contribute to where we are living, my husband and I. So my husband drives, but he didn't start until a couple of years ago, but I started 6 years ago at the dock at Trinity Church, helping. And so it's totally run by volunteers. There is no one that gets paid, because there is no money. It's the best kept secret in Lake Worth, in my opinion. So last year, 2019, he picked up $6.8 million worth.
That's a lot.
Quite a big jump.
Mm-hmm.
So from 2006 to 2019.
I feed lots of people.
So he feeds 20,000 people get food from here. So 78 organizations. So that's what you're going to be a part of.
We need to
today.
get him some hands and muscles.
Well, and we need this, because he doesn't even get a sign. Lucky some little pigeons, because there's no money that comes
What's
in.
his full name?
Daniel Lee West.
Thank you.
He's 77. He works 12-hour days generally. He can. Now he hurt his wrist last week. He fell, but he can outwork anybody here as far as picking up boxes.
AKA Pastor Dan.
Yeah. So Pastor Dan. He is the kindest, sweetest person I've ever met in my life. He's the closest thing to Jesus I've ever met, quite frankly. So, yeah, so he's right there. Just kidding.
Hey, good morning, Pastor Dan. We were just hearing a little bit about your story. How you doing?
Good seeing you, man.
My name's Brian Bailey.
Okay.
Our first day here, just coming
Okay.
to volunteer. And after hearing your story, it sounds like you could use some hands and muscles.
Yeah, that's right.
You know,
That's right.
a few more people
Especially
to come
muscle.
through here and
I like
following
mine
your
at home.
track. It was kind of like you were like the beginning of the train there, leading off, and it sounds like you've built something pretty serious here.
Oh, I did. The Lord did.
There you go.
This
This is everybody.
He knows the word of God for sure.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is Sophie.
She's been here before.
Okay.
She's also in the nursing program.
All right.
So, and you're studying to be.
Emergency medical services.
Okay.
So I'm
we
gonna.
could use your name moment here.
Don't scare me.
So I'm just gonna have them do the. I was just giving them a little bit of a tour, and then I was gonna have them help start with this